What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Wireless Go 2 microphones. Just came out a couple weeks ago. They're very hard to get right now. Everybody's buying them up. Shoot, I seen them on Amazon. There was 3 available. Within 30 minutes they were gone. But I have them here. I wanted to unbox them for you guys. I'm going to make several videos on this product, so make sure you subscribe. I will be making several videos, even shooting a TV show, going to be using these. I'm using right now the first Wireless Go that came out. I love them, they sound great. Have no problems with them. So I bought these. We're gonna unbox them today, but definitely subscribe for more videos with this. I will be reviewing them, giving you all of my thoughts about this product. With saying that, if I do find a link on Amazon for you guys to purchase, I will put that down in the description. Okay, so here they are in their packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and get to unboxing them. There's no really easy way to do it. I think you just gotta rip the box open, I believe. Just like that. And this time there is 2 microphones instead of just one. What's cool is the adapters. Look at all these cables that come with it. Look how long this is. This is how long the case was on the Wireless Go 1, and this is how long it is on the Wireless Go 2. Pretty incredible. Okay, so this is the case. I hope you guys could see that. And just for reference one more time, here is the old case. It does have to fit more inside of it, so it's understandable why it's bigger. So, man, the Velcro is actually really, really big, as you guys can see. And comes with your directions and all that good stuff. As you can see, okay, put that to the side. It comes with multiple USB-C by USB. Comes with 3 of them. Just so you know, there is 3 total in the box. It comes with this cable as well, which is actually a little different than last year's, but it is still, you know, it's cable's a cable. This is the one that was sent last year. As you see, it's different, but you know, I have both of them. If I want to use this one, I can, or if I want to use this one, I can. Just depends on which one I want to use. But this is the one that comes in the box for the new one, the Go 2. And so now that we got all the cables and cases out the way, let's go ahead and get into the main. Do not eat these, just so you know, do not eat them. Let's get into the main event here. Damn, look at this, beautiful. Comes with all these little things, which I will not use because when I use it, I use an actual lapel mic that I have. But here we go, here are the new Wireless Go 2. Here is the receiver. I will turn them on shortly. So make sure you stick around for the review because I will give out a lot of specs and stuff on the review. But this one's just an unboxing. I will go over a little bit of specs, not many, but I will go over some. So here's your 2 microphones. And here is your receiver. Beautiful, so let's go ahead and get rid of this. Let's go ahead and tear these off. So let's go ahead and get them turned on and get them connected so you guys could see what it looks like connected on the new screen, the new interface that it has. I'm sure it has a new one. So I'm going to turn on the receiver first. There's that. I hope you can see it. I'm turning on one mic right here, which it's on. I'm turning on the other mic right now. And now both mics are on. As you see, that's what it looks like. So I'm going to test this microphone. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check, mic check. That's what it looks like, mic check. And then I'm going to go to the other microphone. Mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check. So there you go. That is what it looks like. That is how it works. It's pretty awesome. I like the new interface and how it looks. It shows the battery life, it shows the connectivity, it shows your volume, all that for each one, which is pretty dope. So that is the unboxing of the Wireless Rode Microphone 2. I probably said that all wrong. The Wireless Go 2 new microphone that they just came out with. I need to charge them, but I am gonna shoot a review on these. I'm gonna try it out for a few days. And yeah, but the way it works is you put this on top of your camera, plug it into a regular cable like this, which it might be a little different than last year's because the way this works, or it might not be because right and left is exactly the same. But what it does is this right here, this receiver separates the channels automatically. It separates them by itself and it gives you a right and a left, which will give you 2 channels. And from my understanding, I think this has a little hard drive in here, which you could record on this as well. I'm not sure, so don't hold me to that. I'm gonna do some testing and reviewing and stuff. You know, a video will be coming out in a few days. And if it does have that, I will talk about it. I think it does. So definitely subscribe for that video. Make sure you stick around. And yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.